In this video, we'll learn to create a quiver plot with vectors and a color map. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for color map with colored quiver. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the first result as it matches our query. This use case requires the NumPy and matplot library to function. So before proceeding, make sure that you have these libraries. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code now. Here we are importing both the libraries, and a quiver plot is a type of 2D plot that shows vector lines as arrows. Each arrow represents a vector with a specific magnitude and direction. The length of the arrow represents the magnitude of the vector, while the direction of the arrow represents the direction of the vector. Let's run the code now. And you have created a quiver plot with vectors and a color map.